Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Tuesday, August 15th, and as a reminder, we're always open until 7 on Tuesdays, which is a great time to come in and get some extra advice or extra attention in that 5 to 7 period. Now, for today, I have lots of fun things, lots of things for little ones. And first up are these Cuddle Lullaby kits. These oh so soft baby quilts are the perfect gift for the little ones in your life. The kit includes the pattern and Shannon Cuddle Minky for the top applique, backing, and binding. And the finished size on these is about 28 by 41, and they are super, super soft. We've been keeping them bagged up since they came in, and everybody is really excited that they're open now so that they can all snuggle with them. So if you're looking for a perfect gift that's all ready to go because you have the one kit, we have those available for you in the shop and online now. I'm going to stick those right over there. And then we have Dog Days and Here Kitty Kitty. And these are two collections, both by Stacy Ishu for Moda. This is the cat panel, and I haven't looked at it closely, but it looks like maybe your cat gets some clothes and you get some little baby cats, and it looks very cute. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think we have a finished picture on there, but I'll try to find a finished picture and post it for you because I bet you want to know what actually happens with that. So let's get into these two collections. Dog Days celebrates all the wonders of our canine friends, playful dog toy prints, whimsical illustrations, and sweet novelty prints make this, oh, they're upside down, make this collection come to life. Its classic color combinations are sure to please any dog lover. And I would agree. I always end up looking for my dogs in dog prints. Oh, we've seen one over here somewhere. Yep, there's one of them. And a cute little dog bones piece. And then I feel like people are always looking for good dog paws or cat paws. So there you go. And with this collection, we also got the jelly rolls of the whole group and the layer cakes of the whole group. Even though we only got 5 pieces in the collection, you'll find more fabrics in here that weren't represented in the 5 pieces that we got. And then let's move on to the cat prints. Here Kitty Kitty celebrates all the wonders of our favorite feline, the house cat. And I guess that one's a toss because they lay all kinds of ways. This collection encapsulates the life of the beloved cat with a fresh color palette that will add a punch of novelty and sweetness to your next project. Don't forget to check out the cut and sew panel with mommy and daddy cat and 4 kittens. There we go. I just needed to read. We have layer cakes and jelly rolls in stock now. Charm packs and mini charms for both collections will be in stock soon. And then here is the last piece of that collection. And just like with the dog group, because we don't play favorites, we do have the cat Here Kitty Kitty jelly rolls and the Here Kitty Kitty full layer cakes, which have other pieces like this one that were represented in the bolts I chose for the shop. So that's what we have for you today. We hope you have a great afternoon. Be sure to hug your furry friends, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.